Good morning, students. So in our last class, we complete up to question number 5 from the exercise 13.1 chapter surface area and volume. So here are some more questions. I think 3 or 4 questions are remain here. So we have to complete here one by one. So today we discuss another question, which one is question number 6. And if you see the question is here given like in this way, a small indoor greenhouse herbarium. Herbarium means what? The collection of dried plants. Is it clear? So greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass pans, including the base also. That means this herbarium is totally closed from all sides, held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, so that means the length is given here, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. So here 2 questions are given. So the first one is given, what is the area of the glass? First of all, we have to find out. And the second one is how much of the tape is needed for all the 12 edges. That means in this case, a small indoor greenhouse herbarium. So that means a herbarium here given to us, and we have to find out the total area first of all. So if you see the diagram here, first of all, if you see the diagram, if we consider the diagram like this one, suppose we consider a cuboid here, and the cuboid is this one, for example. This one is the cuboid here we consider, and if you see this cuboid here, this one is the herbarium if we consider, for example. This one is the herbarium here. This one is the herbarium here we consider. Is it clear? So now in this herbarium, we have to find out the total area. That means in this case, if you see how many glasses are there, total 6 faces are there, so that means 6 glasses including the base also, is not it? So here this longest part if we consider by length, and this part is if we consider by breadth, and this one is the height. Is it clear? This portion here it is breadth, this portion the longest part is length, and this portion is here we consider as an height. So here the length, breadth and height are given to us. So in this case the length is given 30 centimeter, 25 and 25. So that means here the length is given 30 centimeter first of all. The breadth is given, this one is given 25 centimeter, and as well as the height is given 25 centimeter. So the length, breadth and height, these 3 are given to us. And first of all, first question is here we have to find out the area. So for that reason here we need the total area. So that means here if we find out the total surface area of this herbarium, or this one also we consider as a cuboid, so easily we can find out the answer here. So in this case, when you have to start the solution, very simple question this one is. So first of all, here for the first one, what you have to do, we have to find out the total surface area of this herbarium. Is it clear? So simply here I write total surface area. Total surface area equals to, that means the meaning is all of you know the total surface area of this one is what? Glass. Or we can write total surface area of the herbarium, or also we can write the total area of the glass also. You can write like in this way. Simply I write here total surface area. And what is the formula of the total surface area? The formula is 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. This one is the formula, isn't it? The total surface area of a cuboid or this glass, the formula is this one, 2 times of length breadth height and height length. So if you apply the value here, so length means how much? 30. So this one we write 30 into breadth 25 plus what? Then the second one is breadth height. Breadth height, that means this one we write 25 into 25 plus the third one is we write height length. So this one we write here 25 into 30, centimeter into centimeter. So that means here centimeter square. After that, if we calculate the whole result and finally we get here answer is what? If you calculate all this, then here we get 4250 centimeter square. So this one is the total area of the glass. Is it clear? So finally our conclusion is what? Area, here we have to write area of the glass. So this one we have to write area of the glass equals to, the answer is what, 4250 centimeter square. Is it clear? So this one is the first answer. So here another one more question given here, question number 2, and the second question is given here, how much of the tape is needed for all the 12 edges. So 12 edges means, you see here, from this point to this end to this end, one edge, then here, from here to here, another edge, third edge and fourth edge. So in this way, total how many edges are here? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. And how much tape required? So that means we need the length of these 12 edges. So in this case, if you see here, from this end to this end, this one is what? Length. So this type of how many lengths are there? One, first length, then from here to here, the same length is there, 30 centimeter. Second one, so from this end point to this end point, the third length, and from this end point to this end, fourth length. So that means here, how many lengths are there? Total 4. In this way, breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. Total breadths are there, and height 1, 2, 3, 4. Total heights are there. So here the question is given here, how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. That means the total length, total edges we have to find out. That means 4 times of length plus 4 times of breadth plus 4 times of height. So in this way we can find out the answer. So that's why here finally you have to write here total. So this one we have to write total length of the tape. So here the conclusion we have to write in this way, the total length of the tape. That means how much tape required here. This one we have to write 4 times. 4 times of length, 4 times of length plus 4 times of breadth plus 4 times of height. Is it clear? So if you take 4 common, then length, breadth, height. So if you put the value here, length means how much? 30, breadth means how much? 25, and height. This one we write here 430 plus of 25 plus of 25. And finally, if we calculate this one, 30 plus 25 plus 25, ultimately this one we get here 320 centimeters. So this centimeter simply 320 centimeter. This one is the total length of the tape. That means this amount of tape required to end up this herbarium. All of you understood this one? Very simple question. Here this one is the question here given. First one is what is the area of the glass, as well as the second one is given here, how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. If I repeat this one more time, first of all, a herbarium, that means a cuboid totally blocked from the all side, because in the question it is given and it is totally made up of glass. So that means this one is the cuboid here, and here we have to find out the area, total area. So for total area, what you have to do? Obviously we have to apply the total surface area formula, and the total surface area formula all of you know. Total surface area of a cuboid equal to what? 2 times of length, breadth, height, and height length. So if you apply this formula, and the length is already given 30, breadth is 25, height is 25. So these 3 we put here, and after that if we calculate the final answer, we get here 4250 centimeters square. This one is the total area. Next here the question is asked total length of the tape required here. So total length means here these are the lengths here, but you have to find out which one we have to find out here. So length here, how many lengths are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why 4 times of length. Similarly, breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 times of breadth plus 4 times of height we write. And if we put the value, finally when we calculate the answer, we get here 320 centimeter. I hope all of you understood this one. Very simple question. So you have to copy this question. So in our next class, we continue this exercise and we start from question number 7. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.